I need someone to record.
What's good?
What is she doing?
Hello, Warren G. Harding. This is Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. I'm G.
And I'm Nita. Here's what we have for you today.
What is Key Club? It is a student-led organization that provides opportunities to serve your community and through service projects. Past projects have included volunteering at the Turkey Trot, Christmas on the Square in downtown Warren, Fill My Egg, and helping our own students with the spring dance. Come check us out to see if Key Club is a good fit for you. The first meeting is tomorrow, September 26th at 2:45 in room 2124.
Attention NHS members. The next NHS meeting will be on September 30th or October 1st. Please be sure you make one of these meetings. All members without their service hours logs already turned in will need them to be turned in by that meeting.
Attention poets, writers, and anyone who loves creative expression. The first Poetry Club meeting is happening on Tuesday, October 1st, right after school at 2:45 p.m. in room 2243. The Poetry Club offers a relaxed space where you can write, perform, listen, and learn about poetry. It doesn't matter if considering yourself a word whiz or the new kid. The Poetry Club, we would love for you to come check us out and see what we're all about. For more information, talk to senior Karina McDonald or see Mr. Sutton after school in room 2243. You can also scan the QR codes. They're on flyers around the building, and we'll see you soon.
Drama Club is holding auditions for the musical 6 Teen Edition. You can sign up to audition outside of room 220. Auditions will be today, September 25th, after school in the cafeteria. Auditions will be closed but performed on the stage. Interested? Choose a song from a musical or Disney movie to perform a cappella or with a quiet instrumental track. If you have a question, message Miss Roar on Teams.
It's time for the prestigious 20 Under 20 program from the Tribune Chronicle. Students interested in being nominated for the 20 Under 20 program should see their counselor for nomination information. Students seeking nomination should submit their activity resume to their counselor or to Mrs. Duncan in room 3104 by Friday, October 4th.
WGH is excited to announce the potential creation of a brand new WGH Journalism Club. If you're interested in writing, reporting, photography, or creating school news, this is your chance to get involved. The first informational meeting is scheduled for Wednesday, September 25th from 3 o'clock to 4:15 in the library. Come learn about the club, share your ideas, and find out how you can help shape the future of students-written journalism at WGH. Scan the QR code to express interest. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Hope to see you there.
Interested in running or walking the WGH 5K? Students can register for just $10 using the promo code STUDENT. You will get a medal and this t-shirt if you register before September 25th. This event is on October 12th. The website to register is www.wgh5k50.com.
We end with some yearbook news. If you're a senior and you have a senior photo you'd like to submit, simply email a high-quality image of it to yearbookwgh@gmail.com. We're looking for pictures from the waist up. Full body pictures are too small or less cropped, and that hurts the quality. Make sure people can see your face clearly. They are due by January 24th. Also, all WGH students are invited to submit candid photos of things happening in your life at Harding High School. Please include names and grades of everyone in the photo.
That's all for now. Conquer the day with determination and focus. Peace, Raiders.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Kennedy.
And I'm James, and we are here with your fun fact for today.
The fun fact is that water is not wet.
Only because the definition of wet is containing, covered with, or soaked with liquid.
That's all we have for you today, Raiders.
Have an amazing day.
What's up, Buttercups? I'm Shay, and I'm here with today's sports events. First up is the boys golf team versus Canfield High School at Trumbull Country Club. The match starts at 4 and ends at 6. It's a home game, and the recognition is at 3:30. Next, JV volleyball starts at 5:30. Then varsity is at 7. And that's all for your sports desk today.
What's up, Warren G? I'm Kendrick.
And I'm Piper.
And we're here with your joke of the day.
What's your joke?
My joke of the day is, where did the general put his arms?
Where?
In his sleeves. Piper, what's your joke of the day?
Do you want to hear a construction joke?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm still working on it.
And that's your joke of the day, Raiders.
Bye.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Deshaun.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we have your word for the day. Your word for the day is disposition.
Disposition means a person's usual attitude or mood.
That's all for today, Raiders. Have a nice day.
Jaicee.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Nick.
And I'm Jace, here with this day in history.
This day is Heritage Day on the 24th of September. Recognizes and celebrates this culture of our wealth and our nation.
Yes.
That's all we have for you today. Bye, Raiders. Stay safe. Love you. And go get some chocolate from the NHS
Kids. Yeah.
before they run out.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Raylan.
And I'm Andrew, and we're here with your best fashion. The best fashion right now, I would say, is the Tasman Ugg slippers, flannels, and like some earthy tones for the fall.
The worst fashion trend, because fall is coming up, is probably like bright colors.
Contradict the leaves and stuff.
Yeah. That's all for your best and worst fashion segments. Have a good day, Raiders.
WSCN weather.
Hello, Raiders. I'm Tyra. I'm here with your weather update for the rest of the week. On Wednesday, we have a high of 75 and a low of 62 with isolated thunderstorms. On Thursday, it's cloudy with a high of 79 and a low of 58. And on Friday, it's cloudy with a high of 78 and a low of 63. That's all we have for your weather. Have a good day, Raiders.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Olane Maury, and I'm here with your Find It in Warren, Ohio. The Robbins Theater was renovated a couple years ago. They have old Ox, cover bands, comedians, and over a couple thousand seats. Some upcoming events is the Average White Band coming October 12th and Gray Puckett October 16th. That's all for your Find It in Warren, Ohio. Have a good day, Raiders.
Good afternoon, y'all. I am currently walking into the dollar store to grab cake mix and some icing and stuff like that to make a cake. Sadly, I do have to go up and down this hill to get to the dollar store, but it's not even that. And I'm here. We're gonna get cream cheese, and then I'm gonna get some things for my cousin, and then food dye to dye like the icing and everything. Okay, found the food dye, but this is all stuff I'm getting. Time to go home. Bag secured, and now time to go home and bake this cake. Okay, I'm back home. Things you need for cake mix is, alright, I know y'all can't see because you're up top, but I'll keep that. Cut it open and pour it in. 3 eggs are in, and now we're gonna do the vegetable oil in the water. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean the pan a little bit and oil it. So now I'm gonna use olive oil and vegetable oil to oil the pan, I guess. Alright, so the oven is preheated. So I'm gonna pour the cake mix into this pan. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to actually put on the cake, and I'm gonna do a blue background. And I'm gonna mix all the icings. So I made the blue, now I'm gonna make a brown type deal. It's done, so I'm gonna take it out. Let the cake cool down for a little bit, and then while mixing these colors. Most of the colors mixed right now. I have his skin tone right here, and then I have the background, and then I'm gonna have his eye color and like other things also. thank you for watching. It's all done. It's a little, there's J. Cole as a cake.